palm grasp crayons are something that I use a lot in my job as a school-based occupational therapist. I like them because they fit in small hands. You can hold them with your fist. Kids can start to hold them with their fingertips. They're more age and developmentally appropriate for younger kids. I like these in particular because they come with flat bottoms, so they don't roll away when you set them down. Regular egg crayons tend to roll and move around when you set them down, and these don't. These write dark and clean without a lot of pressure. They're easy to use. The colors are bright. This is something that I recommend and that I would buy again.